Since 1983, Spectre Performance has fueled your automotive obsession with components to enhance the appearance and upgrade the performance of your vehicle. Now, Spectre takes your engine bay to the next level with a new line of engine component covers designed to add head-turning detail to the engine bay of your modern Mopar muscle car. Featuring a carbon fiber pattern accent, these components are available with a black, bronze, silver, and chrome finish. These components are engineered to precisely fit the factory parts. Installation is easy, and you can transform your engine bay in just minutes. Customize your Challenger, Charger, or 300C's engine bay with Spectre Performance engine component covers. Get yours today.